shore bays. Small craft advisory in effect through Thursday afternoon. For today. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glendon to near Trapp, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Lansdale, Quinkertown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Wilson, Hatboro, Souderton, Bedminster, Washington, Collegeville, Flemington, Chalfont, Tinicum, High Bridge, Trapp, Hatfield, Clinton, and New Hope. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 346. Northeast extension between mile markers 25 and 40. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 73 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.